Hello, beloved soul family. Welcome back. Today, we journey into the sacred practice of boundary containment, activating your aura as a luminous field of protection and sovereignty. Your boundary aura is not a wall of fear, but a circle of love. It allows you to remain whole, safe, and powerful without leaking your energy or absorbing what doesn't belong to you. This is a gift of sovereignty, and today we activate it together. I am the flame within my sphere, unbroken, whole, divinely clear. No shadow enters, no storm can stay. My aura sings, it lights the way. Soft as breath, yet strong as stone. This field of love is mine alone. A boundary born from Spirit's hand, a sacred space in which I stand. Invocation. Infinite Source, beloved light, I call forth the radiance of protection. Surround me with the crystalline shield of sovereignty. Let this aura be impenetrable to fear, unshaken by the noise of the world, a circle of wholeness and peace. Only love flows in, and only love flows out. I am safe, I am free, I am sovereign. Guided meditation. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Visualize a golden sphere of light surrounding your entire body, about 3 feet in every direction. See it glowing brighter with every inhale, expanding, shimmering, alive. As you exhale, release any energy that is not yours. Let it dissolve into the light. Feel the warmth, the strength, the softness of this sphere. This is your sacred boundary, your containment aura. Say quietly to yourself, this is my space. I am contained. I am free. Stay here for a few moments, simply breathing into your wholeness. Affirmations. Now repeat these words with me. I honor and protect my sacred boundaries. My aura is strong, clear, and radiant. I contain my energy with love and sovereignty. Only what serves my highest good may enter my field. I stand safe, whole, and powerful in my boundary aura. Closing words of wisdom. Remember, beloved ones, boundaries are not walls that separate us. They are containers that allow us to shine our true light without depletion, distortion, or fear. Your aura is your sacred temple. Guard it with love, and it will protect you in return. Until next time, may you walk in sovereignty, held by your radiant boundary aura.